Welcome to the class, my dear students. In today's lecture, I am going to do some more problems on continuous probability distribution. In the previous lecture, I have explained you what is meant by the continuous probability distribution and what is meant by the continuous random variable. Now I am going to do some more problems on this particular concept of continuous random variable and continuous random probability distribution. Now the function is given as f of x is x over 8 for x lies between 3 and 5. So we have to find out the value of p of x less than 4. So how to do this now? The function f of x is given by x over 8 for x lies between 3 and 5. So the value of the function, you have to understand one thing here, that the value of the function is being defined between 3 to 5 only. So let us take the real line from 3 to 5 only. At this particular region only the function is being defined and the value of the function is x over 8. The other parts from minus infinity to 3 and from 5 to infinity, it has become 0. This is what you are understanding. And now let us come to see the problem. First one, p of x less than 4 you need to find out. What is integral x less than 4 means? It is from minus infinity to 4. Less than 4 means it is from 4 to minus infinity to 4. So this is what you know. So now here that can be written as minus infinity to 3. I can split it to f of x dx because we know the function value only from 3. So from again it is 3 to 4 f of x dx. So now let us see what is this. So it is integral minus infinity to 3, the value of the function is 0, correct? And integral 3 to 4, so when x is lying between 3 to 5, the value of the function is this. So we need to find out from 3 to 4. So from 3 to 4, what is f of x here? Defined as x by 8 dx. So now let us do the integration. 1 over 8 you take it outside, integral x dx becomes x square by 2 within the limits 3 to 4. So it is 1 over 8 into 2 is 16 times of upper limit is 4 square, lower limit when you apply it is 3 square. So that gives you 1 over 16 times of 16 minus 9. So that is 7 over 16. So this is the value of the integral. I hope it is clear. So even though the function value is from 4 to 5, he has asked you very clearly in this as less than 4, what is the value? Less than 4 means minus infinity to 4 you have to take, and from minus infinity to 3 the function value is 0. From 3 to 4 the value of the function is x over 8. So from 3 to 4 only you have to substitute the limits, and this value gives you 7 over 16. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let us go to the next problem. What is that? P of x lies between 4 and 5. Let us now do that. P of x lies between 4 and 5. So what is this? According to the definition, we have already defined what is meant by the probability of x lies between a and b in the previous lecture. What is that? Integral a to b of x dx is this one. As x lies between a and b, integral a to b of x dx. This is what the definition. And so when you have got the limits like this, then you can do as like this now. So that is integral of 4 to 5 f of x dx. Now let us see what is integral 4 to 5 f of x dx. 4 to 5, it is x over 8 only. So the value of the function is integral 4 to 5 x over 8 dx. And that gives you 1 over 8 times of integral x dx is x square by 2 within the limits 4 to 5. So that gives you 1 over 16 times of the upper limit minus the lower limit. So that is 1 over 16 times of 25 minus 16. So that value gives you 9 over 16. So this is the value of the probability about x lying between 4 and 5. Now the next question is, find the mean of x. What is the value? What is the formula for the mean? To find out the mean, Let us now see that the mean is nothing but the expected value is given by, according to the definition, it is minus infinity to infinity x times of f of x dx. But we know that it is from the value of the function. The value of the function f of x is x by 8, where x lies between 3 and 5. This only we know. So therefore, integral 3 to 5 we can take the other remaining parts, as I told you, from minus infinity to 3 and then 5, and let us take this as plus infinity. So only in this region the value of the function is x by 8. The other parts, the value of the function becomes 0. That is what you are understanding. So now what we do here, x times of f of x value is x over 8 dx. So that gives you 1 by 8, take it outside, integral of x square dx from 3 to 5. So that is 1 over 8 times of integral x square is x cube by 3 within the limits 3 to 5. So that gives you 1 over 24 times of x cube, means 5 cube, upper limit minus the lower limit. So that is 1 over 24 times of 125 minus 27. So that is 98. 125 minus 98 over 24. So this is 98 means it is 49 by 12. 49 by 12. So this is the mean. You can say that as 4.5. 4 so 48. 10 means 4.1 something. 4.01 something. Okay. So this is what the value of the mean. I hope you could understand. So this is what you can find out what is the, how to find out the mean of the continuous random variable and how to find out according to the given function. 4.08 and 4.1 you can say. I hope it is clear all of you. Thank you.